What does financial independence mean to you? It's a concept that can take on different meanings for different people. For many, it's about having enough savings to maintain their lifestyle without needing to work. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to make choices on your own terms. This is often achieved through the traditional path of earning, saving, and investing over a long period of time. But what if we told you there are alternative paths to reach this elusive goal? We've all heard about the traditional path to financial independence. It's a journey that starts with securing a stable job, often one that requires a degree or specialized training. With this job, you can start saving a portion of your income, thinking long-term, and preparing for the future. The next step involves investing wisely, diversifying your portfolio to include stocks, bonds, and perhaps some real estate. This approach certainly has its benefits. It's time-tested and reliable, giving you a sense of security and predictability. You know what to expect and can plan your life accordingly. But it also has its drawbacks. It can be slow and linear, requiring patience and a lot of time. It also doesn't allow much room for taking big financial risks or pursuing ambitious entrepreneurial dreams. Stable but slow, the traditional path isn't for everyone. So what other options do we have? The world of finance is not a one-size-fits-all. Let's explore some alternatives. We live in a world brimming with opportunities. Let's start with entrepreneurship. This path is about creating your own business. You're the captain of your ship, charting your own course. The upside? Unlimited earning potential. The downside? It's risky. Most startups fail within the first 5 years. But if you thrive on challenge and innovation, this could be your ticket to financial independence. Next up, real estate investment. It's as old as the hills, but still a viable path. Buy low, sell high, or perhaps become a landlord and enjoy a steady stream of rental income. The benefits are tangible, literally. You own a physical asset that typically appreciates over time. But there are hurdles: high initial capital, ongoing maintenance costs, and market volatility. If you're a savvy negotiator with a knack for spotting potential, real estate could be your game. Now let's talk about stock trading. The stock market can be a roller coaster ride, but it also offers the potential for substantial returns. The pros? You can start with a relatively small capital, and there are countless resources to help you learn the ropes. The cons? It requires a deep understanding of market trends, and there's always the risk of losing your investment. If you've got a head for numbers and a stomach for risk, this could be your path. Finally, the digital nomad lifestyle. This is for those who value freedom and flexibility above all else. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and potentially earn in stronger currencies. The flip side? It can be isolating and income can be unstable. If you're a self-starter who loves adventure, this might just be your road to financial freedom. As you can see, each path offers unique opportunities and challenges. The choice depends on your personal preference and risk tolerance. So, we've explored different paths to financial independence, each with its own pros and cons. Let's try to encapsulate what we've learned so far. We started with the traditional path, which is primarily about saving and investing wisely over a long period of time. This path is often seen as the safest route, but it requires discipline, patience, and time, a luxury not everyone has. Next, we delved into the alternative paths. We talked about entrepreneurship, which can be a high-reward strategy, but also comes with its own set of risks and challenges. It requires dedication, grit, and a certain amount of financial risk-taking. We also discussed real estate investing, a path that has created many a millionaire. Yet it's not without its intricacies and potential pitfalls. It requires knowledge, a keen eye for valuable property, and sometimes a significant initial investment. Lastly, we touched on the idea of achieving financial independence through minimalist living and frugality, a path that demands a complete lifestyle overhaul and a redefinition of what constitutes happiness and success. In essence, the journey to financial independence is as diverse as we are. It's about finding a balance between risk and reward, between ambition and contentment. It's about understanding our own personal risk tolerance, financial goals, and ultimately, what we want from life. Remember, financial independence isn't a destination but a journey. Choose the path that aligns with your goals and enjoy the ride.